Hello friends, if you want to start a career in AI, machine learning, data science or software development, then join our free 45 hours live Python training and learn the most in-demand Python programming language from scratch. This programming is the most loved programming language, and in this training, you will get live weekend sessions, hands-on learning, industry expert mentors, and notes. So, this is going to start from June 14, 2026. Seats are very limited. You can join, and here we will be covering the entire curriculum for the basic foundation of Python programming. So you will start from introduction to Python, variable input operators, string, conditional statement, loops, advanced loop, pattern programming, and problem solving. Then you will go to the section of data structures like list, tuple, set, dictionaries, collection, and function. After that, you will start object-oriented programming OOPS concept, and it will be followed by file handling and database operation. So don't wait, give a quick registration. I will share the registration link in the link. Thank you.